Toss-up 1. Chemistry, short answer. In electrochemistry, what equation, named for the 1920 Nobel Prize winner in chemistry, gives the redox potential of a galvanic cell as a function of temperature, the reaction quotient, and standard redox potential? Answer: Nernst equation. Bonus 1. Chemistry, short answer. What is the chemical formula for hypophosphorus acid? Answer: H3PO2. Toss-up 2. Earth and space, multiple choice. The sun produces energy by what conversion of atomic nuclei? W. Hydrogen to helium. X. Helium to hydrogen. Y. Oxygen to carbon dioxide. Z. Dioxide to oxygen. Answer: W. Hydrogen to helium. Bonus 2. Earth and space, short answer. Most sinkholes are caused when what type of sedimentary rock is dissolved? Answer: limestone. Toss-up 3. Energy, short answer. What process, first proposed by Peter Mitchell, is the movement of protons across a selectively permeable membrane that is coupled to ATP production in respiring animal and plant cells? Answer: chemiosmosis. Bonus 3. Energy, short answer. What stage of aerobic cellular respiration is most closely associated with the mitochondrial matrix? Answer: Krebs cycle, except tricarboxylic acid cycle, citric acid cycle. Toss-up 4. Physics, multiple choice. You have 3 equivalent resistors with which to make a circuit. Which of the following combinations would have the least total resistance? W. All 3 resistors in series. X. All 3 resistors in parallel. Y. 2 resistors in series to each other and in parallel with the third. Z. 2 resistors in parallel to each other and in series with the third. Answer: X. All 3 resistors in parallel. Bonus 4. Physics, short answer. What is the length of a string, in meters, required to produce a fourth harmonic of 200 Hz if the speed of waves in the string is known to be 400 meters per second and the string is fixed at both ends? Answer: 4. Toss-up 5. Biology, multiple choice. Which of the following organelles is the location of post-translation modifications to proteins? W. Smooth ER. X. Golgi body. Y. Glyoxysome. Z. Mitochondria. Answer: X. Golgi body. Bonus 5. Biology, short answer. What is the process by which cells that have reached the end of their functional lifespan undergo programmed cell death? Answer: apoptosis. Toss-up 6. Math, short answer. Express the repeating decimal 0.131313, with repeating part 13, as a fraction written in lowest terms. Answer: 13/99. Bonus 6. Math, short answer. If you made a checkerboard with 23 squares on each side with black squares in every corner and alternating red and black along every row and column, how many red squares do you have on your checkerboard? Answer: 264. Toss-up, 7. Chemistry, short answer. What is the name of the process when a heated solid changes directly to gas without going through the liquid state? Answer: sublimation. Bonus, 7. Chemistry, short answer. Identify all of the following 3 titrations that would be neutral at the equivalence point. 1. Hydrochloric acid with sodium hydroxide. 2. Hypochlorous acid with sodium hydroxide. 3. Hydrochloric acid with ammonia. Answer: 1. Toss-up, 8. Energy, short answer. To provide numerical values for standard potentials in electrochemistry, we must set the standard potential of a certain electrode to 0. What element has a reduction potential that is defined to be 0? Answer: hydrogen. Bonus, 8. Energy, short answer. Order the following 3 types of coal from least to greatest in terms of energy density. 1. Anthracite. 2. Lignite. 3. Bituminous. Answer: 2, 3, 1. Toss-up, 9. Earth and space, multiple choice. Which of the following is closest to the number of days of the world's supply of precipitation that is stored as water vapor in the Earth's atmosphere at any moment? W. 1. X. 7. Y. 28. Z. 365. Answer: X. 7. Bonus, 9. Earth and space, multiple choice. The Earth is tilted at an angle of 23.5 degrees with respect to the plane of its orbit around the Sun. If the amount of tilt were increased to 40 degrees, what would be expected in middle latitudes? W. Hotter summers and colder winters than at present. X. Cooler summers and milder winters than at present. Y. Hotter summers and milder winters than at present. Z. Cooler summers and colder winters than at present. Answer: W. Hotter summers and colder winters than at present. Toss-up, 10. Physics, multiple choice. A family sits on an 8-meter-long seesaw. The daughter, massing 20 kilograms, sits at the left end of the seesaw, and the father, massing 80 kilograms, sits at the middle of the right portion of the seesaw. Where must the mother, massing 60 kilograms, sit in order to make the seesaw in static equilibrium and level with the ground? W. 1 meter left of the pivot. X. 1 meter right of the pivot. Y. 4/3 meter left of the pivot. Z. 4/3 meter right of the pivot. Answer: Y. 4/3 meter left of the pivot. Bonus, 10. Physics, short answer. When ultra-relativistic charged particles are accelerated radially, such as those in the Crab Nebula, what specific type of radiation is emitted? Answer: synchrotron radiation. Toss-up, 11. Biology, multiple choice. Which of the following correctly describes chromatin? W. Condensed DNA and associated proteins. X. Just condensed DNA. Y. DNA and associated carbohydrates. Z. Loosely coiled DNA and associated proteins. Answer. W. Condensed DNA and associated proteins. Bonus, 11. Biology, short answer. Thomas Hunt Morgan did his inheritance experimentation on red-eyed and white-eyed mutants of which organism? Answer. Drosophila melanogaster, except fruit fly. Toss-up, 12. Math, short answer. How many integers in the closed interval from 0 to 100 are the squares of perfect squares? Answer, 4. Bonus, 12. Math, short answer. If x over 2 equals to y squared and x over 4 equals to 4y, what is the largest possible value of x? Answer, 128. Toss-up, 13. Chemistry, short answer. Ozone is an allotrope of oxygen with formula O3. What is both the hybridization and molecular geometry of the central oxygen atom in ozone? Answer. sp2 and bent. Bonus, 13. Chemistry, short answer. Identify all of the following 3 organic functional groups that, when substituted for a hydrogen on a benzene ring, would further activate that ring towards electrophilic substitution. 1. Amine, 2. Methyl, 3. Nitro. Answer, 1 and 2. Toss-up, 14. Energy, short answer. When this question was written, the world's fastest computer was China's Tianhe-2 that can perform 3.4 by 10 to the power of 16 computations per second. If it operates at 50% capacity and each calculation requires 10 to the power of negative 13 joules of energy, what is its operating power in watts and in scientific notation? Answer, 1.7 x 10 to the power of 3. Bonus, 14. Energy, short answer. What physical constant, equal to the ideal gas constant divided by Avogadro's number, relates particle energy to temperature? Answer. Boltzmann constant. Toss-up, 15. Earth and space, multiple choice. Remnants of the energy released by the Big Bang are now distributed across the universe as which of the following? W. X-rays. X. Ultraviolet. Y. Infrared. Z. Microwaves. Answer. Z. Microwaves. Bonus, 15. Earth and space, multiple choice. Under the Cascade Mountains, some upwelling magma has cooled below the surface, forming plutons. Which of the following is true of these plutons? W. They are older than the surrounding bedrock. X. They are younger than the surrounding bedrock. Y. They are ultramafic. Z. They are fine-grained. Answer. X. They are younger than the surrounding bedrock. Toss-up, 16. Physics, multiple choice. When doing mass spectrometry, one will notice that atoms of the same element will have slightly different charge-to-mass ratios. Which of the following particles is responsible for this difference? W. Proton. X. Electron. Y. Neutron. Z. Meson. Answer. Y. Neutron. Bonus, 16. Physics, short answer. In Rutherford's nuclear model of the atom, he could not understand why the positive charges in a dense nucleus would not repel each other. Which force was later found to be holding the nucleus together? Answer. Strong force. Except strong nuclear force. Toss-up, 17. Biology, multiple choice. Which of the following is not true regarding aquatic biomes? W. Much of the photosynthesis occurring in a coral reef is performed by corals. X. Intertidal zones are characterized by high levels of oxygen and nutrients. Y. Oceanic pelagic zones are the largest biome on Earth. Z. Phytoplankton are the dominant photosynthesizers in pelagic zones. Answer. W. Much of the photosynthesis occurring in a coral reef is performed by corals. Bonus, 17. Biology, short answer. Identify all of the following 3 hormones that are released by the posterior pituitary gland. 1. Oxytocin, 2. Calcitonin, 3. Luteinizing hormone. Answer, 1. Toss-up, 18. Math, short answer. Determine the maximum of the function f, x, equals x squared minus 22 on the closed interval from -3 to 2. Answer, -13. Bonus, 18. Math, multiple choice. How many 2-digit positive integers have at least one 5 as a digit? W. 16. X. 17. Y. 18. Z. 19. Answer. Y. 18. Toss-up, 19. Chemistry, short answer. Identify all of the following 3 formula name pairs that are correctly matched. 1. CuSO4 bullet operator 5H2O and blue vitriol. 2. MgSO4 and milk of magnesia. 3. CaO and limestone. Answer, 1. Bonus, 19. Chemistry, short answer. Given that the enthalpy of formation of liquid water is -290 kJ per mole, that of gaseous carbon dioxide is -390 kJ per mole, and that of gaseous methane is -75 kJ per mole, find the enthalpy of combustion of 1 mole of methane in kilojoules. Answer, -895. Toss-up, 20. Earth and space, short answer. What element is responsible for the destructive nature of CFCs to ozone molecules? Answer. Chlorine. Bonus, 20. Earth and space, multiple choice. According to the Saffir-Simpson scale, a hurricane with maximum sustained winds of 67 meters per second is considered to be what category? W. 2. X. 3. Y. 4. Z. 5. Answer. Y. 4. Toss-up, 21. Physics, short answer. What quantum mechanical principle states that no 2 identical fermions can possess the same quantum numbers simultaneously? Answer. Pauli exclusion principle. Bonus, 21. Physics, short answer. What experiment, important in quantum mechanics, involved sending beams of particles through an inhomogeneous magnetic field and observing their deflections, the results of which showed that particles possess an intrinsic angular momentum that takes only certain quantized values? Answer: Stern-Gerlach experiment. Toss-up, 22. Biology, short answer. In the human heart, what chamber contains the SA node? Answer: right atrium. Bonus, 22. Biology, short answer. What type of DNA sequence, an example of which is the Tata box, is required for transcription factor binding and the transcription of DNA to RNA? Answer: promoter. Toss-up, 23. Math, short answer. Assemblies coming from a plant are inspected for defects. Historical records indicate that 8% have defects in shafts, 6% have defects in bushings, and 2% have defects in both shafts and bushings. One of the assemblies is selected at random. What is the probability, in percentage form, that the assembly has a shaft or bushing defect? Answer: 12. Bonus, 23. Math, short answer. What is the greatest common divisor of 132 and 6032? Answer: 12.